Chicken. Look at them. Shut up, Will. Chicken. They look like they want to attack.
Maggie, what does
Hello.
it say?
Maggie, what is it saying?
I think this fits in my bag.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. We're at a farm.
You know why I like chickens? They taste really good.
Oh my god, Kyle. Pumpkin. Let's come here to pick pumpkins.
It's
Kidding.
coming for the
Look at
October.
this. This is such a nice farm.
You know what this reminds me of?
I feel like I'm on a field trip in like 5th grade. This guy's just bringing us around. Stragglers.
Pick it up.
You pick it up and you take it home.
No! They live that. She has a bag.
We don't have a bag.
No.
We got a farm. Homeless Garden Project Farm.
We're here at the farm.
We're here at the farm.
It's lit,
It's-
fam.
Yeah, it's nice.
You look at a bee today.
Oh yeah, and it ran away.
Had a bee, and I scarred it for life.
It was triggered.
Oh, they all went back inside. Come back, please. Oh.
Amy found a snail. Eat it?
Oh, you're
A
vlogging?
snail? Yeah.
Oh no, things are gone.
What? The kid? we have so many weird kids this weekend.
Wait, who?
Kid?
What?
Senior?
No!
A senior.
Is it
They're like that guy! Oh my god.
Look at this thing.
What is that? It's a snail. We're gonna give it to the...
Oh.
Oh no! We're gonna give it to the ducks to eat because maybe. I think he's drying up. If we give it a name, we're gonna be attached to it. We won't be able to give it up.
Put it in, bring it back home.
True.
Put it in our
I
apartment.
will. We should rename it. I'm not sure. Speedy.
Speedy.
It's like that Turbo movie.
Turbo movie? His name is Turbo?
Turbo.
You're going turbo?
Look at how fast it goes. It's going turbo.
It's going turbo. Please no.
Do you want it on your hand?
Look at that snail trail.
Turbo.
But then again, there's a
Fastest snail in the world.
This might take some time. Hello. Oh, okay.
Okay, I don't understand chicken's head move. Oh, that's a rooster, right?
It's a chicken.
Is it chicken? Dude, I don't understand their head movements.
What if we did that?
We should work on the head isolation.
Side to side?
Side to side.
Head
I can't do that.
Head isolation is hard.
How do you do
I
that?
can only do like my top
I'm
bar.
turning my head when I try.
Jackie, dude, it's so hard.
What are you doing? Food. Panda. Panda.
Panda food, huh?
I need food. We made it. We're Panda Express.
Wait, you didn't explain to them
What?
why you're... Never mind.
Oh. Hi, my name is Calvin and I vlog.
We're gonna watch your vlog.
Do you upload your vlog somewhere?
What?
Did you upload your vlog somewhere?
YouTube.
Oh, really?
Paula's threatening to put it at the end of the meeting. Just like, no, please.
Really short.
They are pretty short.
What's your YouTube channel?
Calvin Lee. Calvin, just search my name.
L-E-E or L-I? L-E-E.
Yesterday I had Quicklies for the first time here. Now I'm having Panda Express for the first time here. Cool.
It's a series of firsts.
It's a series of crying. I got roasted today too. It's bad. It's a bad weekend. Alright guys, so I'm back in campus and I've just been sitting here for like the past maybe half an hour, just taking in the scenery of amazing. I love this. I love that the sun goes through these trees. Super amazing, gorgeous, everything. I don't know, I also like this like random hole that I can see. But yeah, there's literally just no one here. Everyone's inside their dorms or in their apartments or whatever. But yeah, I love this so much. I literally sit here as often as I can and actually have a lot of work to do. I should probably go do that. But in the meantime, I've just been sitting here. But I think I'm gonna take a nap, and then I might go to the library to work. But I know the library closes I think 10 tonight, so we'll see. Regardless, I think I'm just gonna go to the library and work because I don't think I'm not gonna focus in my apartment. Just because I have like too many distractions around me, especially on my desk and stuff. But yeah, I think the library will help me get my work done. But yeah, today was super fun. After Panda Express, we went to go catch the bus, and yeah, that would just take the bus back and say goodbye to people who are getting off at their stops. But yeah, I need to go do homework. It's not due tomorrow, but I should do it. Just so that, because it is due on Tuesday and I really should do it, because it's going to end up with me sleeping at like 3 a.m. again. And I think I have a board meeting tomorrow, so that'll be fun. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go and do some work after this and nap. Actually, I think I might nap first, because I'm okay with sleeping in late night, like probably like 12 or something. I can probably finish a lot of work in like 6 hours, which I think it's like 5 right now. But yeah, Homeless Garden Project was really fun. It was a great experience. And yeah, if you guys don't know what the Homeless Garden Project is, you guys can Google it. I really don't want to explain it right now because I don't think I can really explain it that well. But yeah, other than that, I think I'll just talk to you guys tomorrow in a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. The rest of my day is just going to be me working, so there's really no point. It's kind of boring. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow in a brand new video. May the power protect you. Happy birthday to anyone who has a birthday today. I don't actually, yeah, I don't know. Happy birthday. Yeah, bye.